Hey everybody, Andrew here. So I wanted to take a moment real quick. I'm trying to keep my lessons shorter and more on point, right? That's the feedback I'm getting. So what we're going to do today, coming to you live right from the teaching studio, is we're going to look at movable chord voices. So do you know what a root is? The root of a chord is that note from which the chord is built from the ground up. That root is the pitch or the tone that the chord is named after. So, for example, a lot of people know the C chord. There's a C chord for you on the guitar, and the root of the chord, the pitch from which the C chord is built, is located right here on string 5, fret 3, as well as right here on string 2, fret 1. There and there. You've got two C's in your C chord. That's a pretty strong chord, I'd say. When you have a chord that has two roots, check out your G chord. There's three roots in your G chord, right? There's G, the note G. On string 6, fret 3, you have G, the third string, that's open there. And you have G here on string 1, fret 3. That's a 3G. You got three roots in that chord. Let's take a look at the E chord. You have string 6 open E. That's the E of the E chord. You have string 4 fret 2. That's an E in your E chord. And you have string 1 open. That's another E. Look, you've got three E's in your E chord. So really, honestly, everything else aside, the caged system, all of these different positioning systems that you learn, here's how simple it is. That root is going to get moved from string to string as you play small chords up and down the neck, as follows. Let's go ahead and dig back into that C chord. But what we're going to do now is play only the bottom three strings of the guitar to illustrate the point. Put your first finger on string 2, fret 1. Play your bottom three strings. Those are the three strings closest to the floor, and it's now spelled G, C, E. But wait, Andrew, you just said the root is the pitch from which the chord is built and scaffolded. That's right, but it's not always in perfect order. So when we're here at the piano, right, we have C, E, G. You can always put the chord C, E, G. Go to any C that you see here, and nail it. Just play a C, skip a weight key, play an E, skip a weight key, play a G. It's so easy. Guitar's not quite like that. So our easy peasy C chord right here is spelled G string open. First fret being pressed down of string 2, that's C, and the first string open. That's called an inversion, right? Because the pitch on string 3 is not the root. We have inverted the chord. Let's now continue. How are we going to play? Let's do it. So you've got your little C chord here, spelled G, C, E. We're going to transfer the C from string 2, fret 1, and we're going to put it on string 3, fret 5. Listen. Same pitch, slightly different timbre or color to the note because it's on a different string. Same pitch, same pitch. Okay. Now we're going to invert that chord. Let's put it here. You're going to be pressing string 1 on fret 3. You're going to be pressing string 2 on fret 5. And you're going to be pressing string 3 on fret 5. That C chord, what used to live here on string 2, fret 1, is now living here on string 3, fret 5. Therefore, we must arrange our fingers in a different order, and this is truly a rooted chord spelled in root position, C, E, G. We have string 3 is now a C, string 2 is now an E, string 1 is now a G. All right, continuing on down the neck. We shall now take that C who used to live on string 3. Well, let's see, he was first living on string 2, then he was living on string 3. Well, we got to put him on string 1 now, right, to come up with our last inversion. So let's put him right here on string 1, fret 8. String 1, fret 8, C, string 2, fret 8, G, string 3, fret 9, E. This is another inversion of C. An inversion, once again, a chord in which the root of the chord is not the lowest sounding pitch. So And finally, what we're going to do is take this C chord and play it at the octave. So it looks like a little D shape, shall we say? And we're going to be on string 1, fret 12, string 2, fret 13. That's our C. And string 3, fret 12. I'm sharing with you the idea that blew my mind open when I was taking lessons as a younger man with my teacher. And he said, dude, all we're doing is picking the root up off one string and moving it to another. C on string 2, C on string 3, C on string 1, C back again on string 2. My mind was blown. This also happens for every set of 3 strings on the guitar. Strings 1, 2, 3. We just played those shapes. Strings 2, 3, 4, strings 3, 4, 5, and strings 4, 5, 6. This works. The shapes are a little different, but the theory is the same. So, take your favorite chords, find the root, play it on the lowest 3 strings, and we have bum, bum, bum. Enjoy. We're going to go over more of this. Stay subscribed. Hit that button if you didn't already. Give me some feedback, and we'll catch you soon.